In this video, we will guide you through what you should do in the case of a change of circumstances. It is important to note that the PIP2 form cannot be completed online. It must be a paper form that is sent to you from the DWP. For more information on how to get this form, contact Dash on 020 884 88319. If there are any changes to your health condition or disability, you need to inform the Department for Work and Pensions as soon as possible, as it can affect your PIP payments. Examples of things that might change how your condition affects you include: your condition gets better or worse, the level of help you need changes, you go into hospital or a care home for more than 28 days. If you're under 18 on the day you go into hospital, your PIP won't be affected. You also need to tell the DWP if your circumstances change, including if you go abroad for more than 13 weeks, you change your name, address, or bank account details for payment, you go into or leave prison or legal custody. You don't have to report the following changes because they don't affect whether you can get PIP or how much you get: being in work, returning to work, or leaving work, changes in your earnings or other income, if someone joins or leaves your household. To report a change, you can call or write to the DWP using the address on your original decision letter. Once you report a change, the DWP will write and let you know how it affects your PIP. Please include these details when reporting a change: your full name, your date of birth, your national insurance number, the thing that has changed, the date the change happened or will happen. Always report changes to the DWP as soon as you can. Remember to keep a written record of the changes you have reported. Please note that if you are not sure whether a change might affect your PIP, it's always best to tell the DWP anyway. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020 884 88319, or alternatively, email them at info@dash.org.uk.